If you don't find the wall elbow press challenging anymore and you want to try to make it even more challenging, then you can bring it to the floor. It's a harder transition because there's no intermediate step. I haven't really figured out a way to make that transition. However, if you want to give it a try, this is what it looks like. So you're going to set up on your back and you're going to keep your feet close to your bottom. And you're going to plant your elbows next to your side, close in, so you don't want them splayed out like that. And your thumbs will be right over your armpits. And the trick here is to really use your back, the muscles between your shoulders. You don't want to turn it into a sit-up. So this is what it would look like. Chin slightly tucked. And you're going to press, driving those elbows down into the ground and lower. Press and lower. So what you want to make sure you're not doing is like a sit-up, right? So you don't want to roll up like this. That's a different exercise. We're trying to work the back here. So we're going to drive those elbows in, down and into the ground forcefully. So you pop your chest up and down. So again, this, not this, okay? So think of your spine as like a straight, it's like a stick, it's very rigid. So you're pretty much in a plank actually. So you're here, driving down. And your upper body is literally like, think of it as like an ironing board. It's just straight and you're just moving your chest between your elbows. And this is what it looks like from the top. So pressing down. And that's how you do it from the floor.